अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। मैं आज यहाँ सिर्फ एक स्टूडेंट के रूप में नहीं, बल्कि एक सपने के साथी के रूप में खड़ी हूँ। एक सपना जो हर हिंदुस्तानी के दिल में धड़क रहा है, एक विकसित भारत का सपना। Today I stand here before you with a heart full of dream and a voice full of vision, not just for myself, but for our India, an India that doesn't just survive, but leads, innovates, and inspires the world. Dr. Ambedkar believed in an India where liberty, equality, and fraternity are not just written in the Constitution, but lived in every heart. Today, as we talk about a developed India, we are actually echoing his voice of a nation. Voice of a nation where no one is left behind and every voice matters. A journey from the verses of the Rig Veda and Samveda, from the ancient debates at Takshila and Nalanda to the powerful edicts of Ashoka. From the Bhakti movement and finally to the creation of our Indian Constitution. India has never stopped evolving. So what does India, developed India truly mean? To some it means skyscrapers and bullet trains. To others it means a $1 trillion economy and AI-powered cities. But let's look deeper. A true developed India is one where every child goes to school and not to work. Every citizen has access to quality health care and not just those who can afford it. Jobs are not a privilege but a right. Safety is not demanded by women but guaranteed. And most important, where progress doesn't cost us our environment. विकसित भारत वो होगा जहां गांव में भी वाईफाई हो और शहर में भी इंसानियत हो. It is not just about GDP, it is about GEP, gross emotional progress. An India that is developed economically, socially, culturally and sustainably. Close your eyes for a second and imagine an India where there is no street children, only school children. Farmers don't fear rain, they forecast it. Traffic doesn't jam, opportunities do. A developed India is not just a goal, it is a reflection of our soul. विकसित भारत का मतलब है डिजिटल हो और दिल से भी स्ट्रांग हो, हाईवेज हो पर ह्यूमैनिटी भी हो. इट मीन्स यूनिवर्सल एजुकेशन, strong healthcare system, economic growth with equity, spiritual roots with scientific wings. This is the India we are moving towards. This is the India we deserve. Let's be honest, we are not there yet. Even today, many children drop out before class 10th. Farmers still wait for MSP. Pollution still haunts our cities. Unemployment still frustrates our youth. But you know what makes India different? We don't stop, we innovate, we rise. Our youth is building unicorns, our scientists are sending satellites, our rulers, entrepreneurs are changing villages. तो क्या हम रुकेंगे? नहीं. हम झुकेंगे? बिल्कुल नहीं. हम सिर्फ बढ़ेंगे और विकसित बनेंगे. This is the age of Gen Z, Gen AI and Gen India. We are coding dreams into apps. We are transforming social media into social impact. आज का युवा सिर्फ नौकरी ढूंढता नहीं, स्टार्टअप बनाता है. सिर्फ पढ़ता नहीं है, परिवर्तन करता है. Imagine if each student plant one tree and teaches one child or start one local initiative. विकसित भारत होगा सिर्फ 2047 में नहीं, 2027 तक ही हो जाएगा. एक नई सोच, एक नई उम्मीद, एक नया भारत. Let me tell you a short story. In a remote village of Odisha, a girl studied under a street light. Today, she is a space scientist. True development is not just digital, it is cultural, constitutional, compassionate. Yes, we need AI, robotics, quantum computing, but also ethics, empathy, and empowerment. Let's build a nation where tech connects, not divides. Data flows, but value stays. Innovation flies, but root remains grounded. That is developed India. Not when we reach Mars, but when the poorest girl can reach her dreams. मैं उस भारत का सपना देखती हूँ जहाँ हर दिल में गर्व हो, हर हाथ में ताकत हो, हर आँख में उजाला हो। विकसित भारत वो होगा जहाँ कोडिंग और कल्चर एक ही स्कूल में पढ़ाए जाएं। Today, when the world looks at India, they don't just see a country, they see the largest democracy, the pharmacy of the world, the voice of peace and progress. From yoga to UPI, from Chandrayaan to G20, we are redefining leadership. अब दुनिया हमसे पूछती है और हम सिर्फ बोलते नहीं, करके दिखाते हैं। Yes, we have hurdles and challenges like climate change, gender inequality, rural-urban divide. But our answer is not fear. Our answer is action. Plant more trees. Raise your voice against injustice. Lift other as you rise. हर सिटीजन एक सोल्जर है और हर सोल्जर एक सपने का रक्षक है। स्वामी विवेकानंद once said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Let this be our motto. Let not wait for 2047. Let us start from the day right here, right now. Developed India is not a future promise. It is today's responsibility. मैं उस भारत का सपना देखती हूँ जहाँ हर मुस्कान में सुरक्षा हो, हर सफर में सुविधा हो और हर सिटीजन में एक नेता हो। मैं उस भारत का सपना देखती हूँ जहाँ विकास के नाम पर रातों रात जंगल न काटे जाएं। मैं उस भारत का सपना देखती हूँ जहाँ करप्शन की वजह से हमारे फाइटर पायलट और सोल्जर्स न मारे जाएं। मैं उस भारत का सपना देखती हूँ जहाँ हर लड़की बिना डरे सड़कों पर चल सके। मैं उस भारत का सपना देखती हूँ जहाँ हर नौजवान के हाथ में मोबाइल ही नहीं रोजगार भी हो, जहाँ गांव भी शहरों जैसे विकसित हो और शहर इंसानियत से भरे हों, जहाँ सिर्फ इमारतें ही नहीं सोच भी ऊंची हो। Let us be the generation that rewrote India's story. Let us be the voice that shaped the Viksit Bharat and let this stage, this moment be our beginning. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.